Hi everyone, in this video, we are going to add the values by row wise, dynamically in a single cells. These are the sales data I want to generate the total from adding these columns. Go to the add column, custom column. Type the column name, I type underscore. Underscore provide me with a record of each of the rows, first row, second row, third row, and so on so forth. These are the record, but I want the list of each of the rows. I convert the record into the list by using the record.toList function. How do I do that? I modify the code, click on, I type record.toList. Record.toList wants the records nothing but the underscore. I will filter the list and get only the last four columns by using the list.skips function. I skip the first five columns and then I got only last four columns. Now from the list by using the list.skip function. Click on that, type list.skip functions wants the list. These are the list, comma, how many columns you want to skip. Skip the first five columns, type the five, close the bracket. And now I got only the last four columns. Last, I use the list.sum function for sum. List.sum wants the list. This is the list. And now I got the total of all the last four columns. In this way, we can dynamically sum selected columns. Thank you for watching this video.